Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Josh Wibskowski with Best Tax Pro, where we have the nation's best tax resolution team with over 200 years of experience working with the IRS. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and then sit back and enjoy the experience of watching a former revenue officer explain to you how to get the best results from working with an IRS revenue officer. This is presented, of course, by my business partner and former IRS revenue agent and former IRS revenue officer, Michael Sullivan. Enjoy the video.
My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm dressed in my Corvette red, and me and my M&M mans give you a thumbs up for listening. So I am a former revenue officer and want to just educate you a little what you need to know about working with a revenue officer. A revenue officer has one job. Oh, by the way, I trained revenue officers as well when I was with IRS. I was an on-the-job instructor, went to the Atlanta Service Center and taught them those across the Southeast District. So a revenue officer is kind of a very special breed of people. They generally get assigned two areas of cases. What's called a TDA, TDI, or an outgoing assessment, or someone who hasn't filed tax returns, and it's their job to go and really investigate and close the case. So management does not like overage cases. They don't like their case to be overage. So once, in fact, they contact you or get the case, they're on the clock. Their overage cases can be investigated every month, 3 months, 6 months, depending on the demands of the management. So basically, you're evaluated on the work quality you do and how fast you're processing your caseload. So when you close a case, it goes into the manager for review. So if you've been someone knocked on the door and IRS says, hey, I want tax returns, you get their tax returns to them as soon as you can. IRS is probably going to want to take a financial statement to see how they're going to deal with your debt. They will take that, they'll put it in the file, but generally once your tax returns go in, someone else will come out and work the case. If you have an outstanding account with IRS, it's their job to close the case, and generally those cases are going to close in one of three ways. They're going to close them either via hardship. 40% of all open cases with the IRS close with hardship. Number two, payment agreements. About, 6.5 million payment agreements go down every year with the Internal Revenue Service, or an offer and compromise where you settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. Now the RO themselves will not work your offer. They'll look at the package and they'll send it off to a very specific offer group to look at. They're just going to make sure it can be worked. Generally, IRS accepts 20,000 of the maybe 58,000 OICs that are 58,000 OICs that are filed. Probably settle for around 16,000. When you're dealing with the IRS, they want you to be prompt, they want you to be accurate, and they want you to be quick. They're going to evaluate that financial statement closely, make sure it's filled out correctly, make sure you document it, and more than anything, make sure you keep the appointment and the dates that they ask for. If you don't, they're probably going to process a federal tax lien against you, a wage garnishment, or a bank levy, and they will make you jump and scream until you can do until you do exactly what they say. And our revenue officer has the ability to seize. They have the ability to issue that federal tax lien, bank account. But more than anything, if the RO has the case is kind of up the line, and it's probably best to seek somebody professional. IRS is going to go over that financial statement with a fine-tooth comb. They're going to want to look at your income. They're going to verify it with your cost of living, your tax returns, your bank statement. They're going to look at your expenses. They want to make sure you're living well within your means. Talking about living within your means, IRS has a national, regional, and localized standard that they're going to allow for your expenses. If you're not familiar with these national and local and regional standards, don't even bother contacting RO, because you are not going to have a great day. But remember, be efficient, be thorough, be quick, and be prompt, and more than anything, be courteous, and make sure you present them nice packages. Need help? Hit me up.